Oh, watch out. Adam coming in. Oh. Jesus, what an entrance.
Welcome to Tampa, home of the Raymond James, where the Bucks put it down and they bring the pain. Man, you hear them cannons shooting, all the fans rooting.
Look at that little Grom over there. Hey, get a real bike. What is that, a bike for ants? What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Motovlogger Monday. You guys saw in the previous video, we added some things on there. So here's what it looks like on the road. So we got the dual caliper handbrake bracket there, the EBC rear rotor, 2 Brembos P32s, might go to P34 for the handbrake eventually. Supermoto stainless steel lines, coming up to a KTM Master, which is the Magura 12mm. I think the 13mm is pretty popular, but 12mm. I put on the Howe Racework clutch lever. The fuck? Oh, there it is. Anyway, Howell's Raceworks clutch leather, put that on there. Oh, and then we did a 50-tooth front sprocket, new chain. We went back up to a 15-tooth, having to break a chain and put a new chain on. So I had an O-ring chain, then I bought another one, no O-ring, because it came the same day. Thanks, Amazon Prime. We're gonna test some wheelies. And then Mason is down from Jacksonville, riding the Grom. The fuck? My battery dead? Ah. Where's that button? Oh yeah, right here. Huh. I had it in neutral, it still won't start. Alright, just push me. Oh fuck! It doesn't help if I put the 50-tooth on here. Big ass sprocket. Alright. I don't know what my battery's dead. It might be this crazy light. I gotta monitor that. Alright, so anyway, we're gonna do a ride. Happy Monday, everybody. How you guys doing, YouTube? Oh, let me remind you guys, call to action. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate it. Keeps me motivated, you know, create new content. I do appreciate that subscribe button being mashed. And if you are a regular here, hit that like button. And if you want to be extra super cool, maybe become a patron. Patrons on my Patreon support this channel, make things possible like buying parts, giveaways. Oh, by the way, we'll be doing a build series on the Coast to Coast Grom, and that will be transferred to one of my supporters, the ownership. So someone's going to take ownership of that guy at the end of the build series. Something to look forward to. Now we're going to go ride. Yeah, not looping. Shots fired. Alright, so today we're going to be doing a little ride. Nothing too crazy. I always start my rides like that and they always turn crazy. I really just want to test this handbrake. Try to get comfortable doing a little wheelie action. So that's my goals for tonight. We'll see where it morphs to. We got a couple of hitters out here tonight. So YouTube, how are you guys? Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content lately. Been throwing a lot at you guys. The handbrake, like, does it feel like it's too far in, like, to engage? Let Lewis take a gander at it.
It's going straight to the bars.
Yeah. Mason, what'd you do to my handbrake?
You probably got brake fade.
Brake fade? We just started. Feels squishy, right? Oh, it might be dead. You might have to bump start it. Yeah, look at that vape cloud. Douche flute. Mason can wheelie it.
I don't know, it feels fine to me.
Oh, watch out. Adam coming in. Oh, Jesus, what an entrance.
Oh, shit. What? That's the most baller entrance ever. either.
I just said, what an entrance.
I didn't realize it was gonna whip around like that.
Yeah.
Feels fine to me.
It feels all right with the handbrake?
Yeah, both of them feel fine.
All right.
Am I recording?
Yeah. Did you get him falling over?
Yeah.
What an entrance.
I was like, what the fuck?
All right. Oh, I can smell it. The coating's kind of burning off. So brand new pads, and obviously lines and everything like that. So pads need to break in a little bit. Oh yeah, it's got some pressure in it now. Yeah, it feels a lot better than the handbrake. I just want to make sure it's working. You know, for me, I need to learn stand-ups before I can learn sit-downs on this bike, because I don't know, it's easier for the balance point for me, but I'm gonna try. Yeah, I apologize, guys. I know these aren't the wheelies that entertain you guys, but you guys just get to see, you know, the progression from these little shitty wheelies to hopefully, you know, something a lot better down the road. That's kind of how my Grom career wheelies, or wheelies and career in wheelies, have gone. You got to see me do little ones like that, and then, you know, now I can ride my wheelies out on the Grom. So kind of same thing with the DRZ. You're gonna see me kind of start here, figure out where everything is, and then work my way hopefully to you know, maybe MLK next year. We'll see. You know what it is? I need to know where the throttle part is. I don't want to, since I'm more of like a reactive, Jesus, I'm more of like a reactive guy, so I kind of like get it past balance point, hit the brake, and then kind of settle it down, and then kind of, you know, kind of do it that way. A little cautious with this. I'm just gonna try to go slow now, just see if I can get it to where I need to get it. It's gonna start with these like chasing out wheels, just kind of get the zone. That's kind of what I'm working on, get comfortable with myself. And it is a lot scarier than the Grom, don't get me confused here. It just, the exhaust doesn't help. See, like right there, those chasing out wheels, I'll never get those to balance points and be able to recover those. That's just me just being stubborn. I should go really slow, just like that. Bring it up and down. Just kind of figure out where that balance point is, and kind of just stay like right under it. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. It's not the video. I don't know. For some reason, I thought I'd be able to get on this and just be able to whip it back, throw it back. Oh shit. Fingies are hurting. Anybody want to ride this? Feedback from a Grom owner that knows how to wheelie, kind of, to a DRZ guy trying to do these wheelies. It's the exhaust makes it a lot scarier, and it comes up, I don't say it comes up quicker, but you're obviously going faster in first gears when you pop it up. You know what? I'm gonna put on some back protectors and maybe some butt pads, and then you know, try it again. I think even though I'm geared, I got jeans on, boots on, the hard knuckle gloves, and a nice speed and strength armored hoodie here, and a backpack on. I just don't think looping right now would feel good. So I think I'm gonna wait. My hand kind of hurts. I think I'm gonna wait to try really throwing it back. Hey, hold on. Let me see my Grom real quick. I miss my Grom. Oh man. Feels weird getting back on this. It's so low. What? This feels so weird. Oh, my handbrake's so much stiffer and way out here. God, I like myself so much better. Wow. This is, oh, that's a weird transition to go back to. That's a hella weird transition to go back to. I'm still chasing them out, but that's a weird, it just feels so weird. It feels so slow and low and not violent. Oh my God. This is so weird. Grom wheelies all day. So if you're thinking about learning wheelies on a Grom versus a DRZ or vice versa, yeah, Grom is the safest probably way you can learn wheelies. This is nothing, man. It feels like I'm sitting on a kid's table. Yeah, the Grom will never go away, man. I love this little guy. Ow, that's pretty good. All right, guys, I'll see you next Monday. We'll get better, I promise. Willie Brothers.
Connected.